Hey guys, these raffles are real. Man, that is special. That's something special. What is that? Look at y'all. Hey, y'all hear the shell fields right here. He been cooking. He say, let him cook.
Hey man, he ain't dropping his dirty laundry on. Look at your ass was like I know it's a lot of people out there with Demon 170, particularly your influencer. If you want to race me with your Demon 170, come and see me at the big showdown April the 13th at the Texas Motorplex. I will give you that race. If you have a Demon 170 and want to learn how to drive it, the skill sets that I have to put with it, show up. I'll have time to show you some of the tricks of the trade to make my Demon 170 do what it do. Anyway, I'm Demonology. You know what we doing, snatching souls. Peace.
Austin, tell us about your BMW, man.
So it's a 2017 M2. It's basic bolt-ons.
Okay.
And it's on the E20 board.
Man, it's moving pretty fast. Hey, what happened on the tree? Because it didn't seem like that you red lit, but I don't know why it red lit.
I think I just staged too shallow.
So you shallow stage and the bulb didn't go on. Timed him out, baby. BMW power, man. There you go. Hey man, I'm here with Henry with his car boosted Betty. You won it in a raffle, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell us what kind of raffle it was. You won your car.
Christmas raffle. One of my buddies has on Facebook all the time with Waffle.
Yeah.
Just hey, $300.
$300,
yes,
and
sir.
You won a turbo truck. Wait, can you pop the hood and show us? Hey guys, these raffles are real.
It's
Man, that is special. That's something special. What is that?
It's a turbo. It's a 76mm turbo.
76mm turbo. Man, this thing was hauling ass, dude.
Yeah, I mean,
it's fast.
It's literally the second time out on the truck. We kind of chased a lot of gremlins at the beginning. Had
Right.
a lot of issues, fuel pump problems and whatnot. But
so who does the work for you?
Right here, my man right here.
Oh, this is the man with the hot sauce. Look at y'all. Hey, y'all hear the shell fields right here. Look at him. He even got his chef uniform on. He been cooking. He say, let him cook.
Really helped me chase all the gremlins out of this thing.
So R&R Performance is what took all the gremlins out of it for you.
We did some work to it, a little bit of anti-roll bar stuff.
Yeah.
Did that for us. The Kraken does our tuning. Kraken.
Yeah, I know the Kraken, Johnny.
Just us? I'm gonna pull the shit on you.
Hey man, hey man, he ain't dropping his dirty laundry on.
Look at your ass was like,
Yeah, and all those guys. Steven, yeah, all those guys, yeah. Yeah, I know those guys. Yeah, man, some good guys. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.